एक फीमेल के साथ इट्स ऑलवेज विक्टिम माइंडसेट
हाँ.
कीप ब्लेमिंग अदर्स, ये इसकी वजह से हुआ, वो
हाँ.
नो 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 नो, यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन योर लाइफ. सो टुडे वी लिसन लॉट अबाउट सस्टेनेबल फाइनेंस. So I would like you to highlight what actually sustainable finance is.
The moment I began earning, no matter कितनी कम salary थी, I started investing from day one.
Wow.
When I got my first job, it was merely 22,000. So I was like, 1,000 रुपए तो निकल ही जाएंगे महीने. The magic of compounding.
Actually now it's visible
now
and it
it's
gives you
visible.
strength.
Yeah.
Instant gratification. like ले लिया, 10 मिनट की खुशी हो गई and then it's gone.
Yes.
I was always aligned to my long-term goals.
I come from a very middle class family. Investing, saving, this has come in me from my mother.
From the blood.
Yes. In yoga, जो अर्थशास्त्र होता है, you need to always earn your money with purpose.
One money belief that need to evolve since the day one the kid is born.
You should be self-sustainable. मेरे पापा, my mummy was like कि आजकल जमाने का पता नहीं कैसा होगा, वो अपने पैरों पे खड़ी रहनी चाहिए. But they made me independent in everything. We have seen it from female's perspective. For a boy also, it becomes difficult
To do so many things at once.
Correct.
Hi everyone, I am Pallavi Mehra and with one of our sweetest guests, Ratika Khandelwal, and I'm so excited to discuss my favorite topic, that is sustainable finance today with her. Hi Ratika, I was listening to you and it's so amazing to listen to your thoughts and the way those thoughts have evolved, and you have built Rooted India on those thoughts.
Thank you so much for having me here. I'm really excited for our conversation today.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, Ratika, I was listening to the whole story, how Rooted India began and what was your thought to put. And when I see your page, it reflects those thoughts. So, today we listen a lot about sustainable finance. Kya hota hai? So, I would like you to highlight what actually sustainable finance is.
See, whenever I connect the word sustainability to anything, it's always about the one who or which is able to last longer
Wow.
or forever.
Right.
So that is sustainability.
Lovely.
कि कुछ भी मतलब if you say कि we need to lead a sustainable lifestyle, that means we need to sustain the resources which are there so that even the future generations are able to use them properly.
Very true.
So it's not like कि बस इन resources पे सिर्फ हमारा हक है और हमें बस अपनी जितनी भी एज होने वाली है 50-60 उसमें उनको खत्म करके जाना. It's not like that. So when I connect the word sustainability to finance, I think, I believe कि it's about that, कि you are using the money that you are earning in the rightful way to even spend, to enjoy that money, and then you are also saving and investing it the right way so that in the coming years when you are not working, the money is working for
Automatically
you.
working for you. Yes.
And yeah.
And you have your roots from finance as well. Before you started Rooted India, just like we discussed, I've also been aligned and I understand finance. So I want to ask you one thing, कि finance को sustainable करके, what impact it has had in your personal as well as your professional life?
One thing which I learned at the very early of my life, कि the moment I began earning,
Right.
no matter कितनी कम salary थी, no matter कितने ज़्यादा expenses थे, no matter आप किस city में रह रहे थे, I started investing from day one.
Wow.
Even though it was ₹1,000 only, and I'm not joking because I was living in Bombay when I got my first job. It was merely 22,000 in hand, where I was paying my rent myself. I had to bear all my expenses myself. So I was like, 1,000 रुपए तो निकल ही जाएंगे महीने में, मैं
कोशिश करती
हाँ
हूँ.
कोशिश कर लूंगी.
Wow.
So I started my mutual funds from day one. It was merely 1,000, but yes, it has grown over
Over a
time.
period of time.
And जो बोलते हैं ना, the magic of compounding.
Yes.
That
yes.
is
Actually, now it's visible
now
and it
it's
gives you
visible.
strength.
Yes.
It gives you strength. And इस बात से मेरे को भी एक चीज याद आई when I started 12 years back. I remember कि लोग हमेशा कहते हैं कि हमने एक्सपेंस कर दिए और फिर जो बचा वो इन्वेस्ट कर दिया.
हाँ.
But for me, I was so fortunate from the day one. I used to invest first and spend later. And then what happens is instant gratification जो आजकल होता है कि ले लिया 10 मिनट की खुशी हो गई and then it's gone.
Yes.
I was always aligned to my long-term goals. Since I've been independent throughout the journey,
Yeah.
and I still feel कि ये चीज implement होना बहुत जरूरी है. सुनते सब हैं, but होना बहुत जरूरी है in terms of action.
Correct.
And Ratika, tell me one thing. Common misconceptions क्या हैं लोगों को sustainable finance को लेके?
See, I have seen this around myself also. जो friends, family होते हैं, I am lucky कि I had finance का background.
Very true, very true.
And मतलब I come from a very middle class family. तो वहाँ पे ना ये investing, saving, this has come in me from my mother.
From the blood.
Yes, because she has seen that struggling phase. So
yes.
from day one she has taught us कि भाई तुम खर्चा करो या मत करो, पैसे सबसे पहले बचाना स्टार्ट करना.
Wow.
But I have been lucky that way कि मुझे वो values मिली and like you know now I understand कि उस टाइम बहुत गुस्सा आता था कि यार क्यों इतने पैसे बचाना, कल तो मर जाएंगे हम, किसके लिए बचा रहे हैं,
लाइफ इतनी सी है.
हाँ लाइफ इतनी सी, यू नो ऑल ऑफ दीज फुलिश स्टेटमेंट्स जो आजकल लोग पास करते हैं. बट मतलब यू नो लाइक सो दिस इज द मिसकंसेप्शन ओनली बिकॉज पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड लुकिंग एट शॉर्ट टर्म कि बिकॉज लाइक यू नो व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट इवन सस्टेनेबिलिटी मुझे यही सुनने को मिलता है कि हम वैसे ही मर जाएंगे, इतना पोल्यूशन है,
Right.
इतनी मिलावट है, तो हम वैसे ही मर जाएंगे, तो सब कुछ एंजॉय करके
तो
मरेंगे.
एक्शंस ही नहीं ले पा रहे हैं लोग.
एक्शंस ही नहीं ले पा रहे हैं एंड दे लाइक यू नो ऑलवेज थिंक ऑफ इट एज द डेड पॉइंट कि मतलब हमें क्या मिलेगा उससे. एंड इवन विथ मनी ऑल्सो पीपल हैव बिकम वेरी आई विल से लाइक यू नो शॉर्ट साइटेड.
Very short-sighted.
कि जो है वो खर्च कर दिया. मतलब आई सी college going kids or like you know kids who are doing internships merely 5,000-6,000 a month,
yes,
but they have
yes.
bought iPhones
Yes.
क्योंकि EMIs available है.
And there is also this lifestyle trap.
Correct.
And then so much of comparisons.
हाँ, true.
That makes it worst. It is not helping in
Completely.
any way,
हाँ.
but it is making your decisions
Yes.
worst.
Yes.
Now tell me one thing. I'm very much inspired by the way you have discussed things with us. What inspired you to combine environment and financial values? जब आप अपने environment पे work करते हो, like you said कि हम plants लगाते हैं, तो शायद air purifier की जरूरत
Yes.
नहीं है,
हाँ,
right?
हाँ.
With the new fad.
Yes.
या हम sunlight को utilize करते हैं, तो हमें extra lights की जरूरत नहीं होती. तो how environment and finances are connected?
See, I would add on to this.
Right.
So I always say this: if you want to live healthy, you have to consider environment.
Right.
मतलब you cannot be healthy in isolation. कि भाई हम ना एकदम बस ब्रिक एंड मोर्टार में रहेंगे, एकदम पैक रूम में रहेंगे और हम हेल्दी रहेंगे, वो नहीं हो सकता.
Right.
चाहे जो कर लो, ठीक है. या तो योर फिजिकल हेल्थ या फिर योर मेंटल हेल्थ या फिर योर स्पिरिचुअल, योर रिलेशनशिप, कुछ ना कुछ तो अफेक्ट
Impact
होगा ही होगा.
Very true.
In the same way कि people like you know especially in the segment that we are in कि हम जब कंटेंट क्रिएट करते हैं, हम जब नेचर के बारे में बात करते हैं, हम जब योगा के बारे में बात करते हैं, सो पीपल ऑलवेज कम टू मी एंड दे से कि ये तो आप पर्पस के लिए कर रहे हो, तो फिर पैसे क्यों चाहिए?
So it's contradicting in a way.
Yes, it's मतलब people think it's contradictory, but I think like you know मतलब it goes hand in hand.
Right.
मतलब if selling a sari is your product, though I say it's not my product, but this is what helps me to pay my bills. So money, but with purpose. So in yoga, it is always said that जो अर्थशास्त्र होता है कि you need to always earn your money with purpose. And when you earn your money with purpose, you understand the real value of it, that like you know that the money holds, जिसको हम बहुत प्यार से लक्ष्मी जी बोलते हैं. It's not that कि आपने बस कमाया और गवा दिया. It's मतलब कि it's just
It's a total energy in itself.
Correct. It's an energy. So when you consider the money that's coming in your house as Lakshmi, as energy, you invest it the right way. You spend it the right way. So like you know, it is a
Value
wholesome
it
thing. हाँ.
entirely. True.
It's a wholesome thing. So that is how I connect like you know sustainability to money. And even with environment, like you know when you say, so when you earn money, it's not only to buy more,
Right.
spend more. You need to even mindful when you are you know spending your money.
You have to take a pause.
Yeah, very much required.
Very much required. I always feel now plan it this way. जैसे you are rightly just quoted, which I want to repeat it again. You are a product of your environment. जैसा आपका environment वैसे आप product होगा, right? Now, if you are not mindful and your beliefs are not right in your environment, what will change? Nothing. And then what is happening now is I tell people to try. I want something. मुझे कुछ लेना है and it cost me X amount. Try building that amount instead of redeeming your investments or asking from someone. Once you start building that amount, आपको realize होता है आपने साल भर तो उस चीज के बिना निकाल दिया. And उस चीज को लेने के लिए जब आप जाते हो, you feel is it really required?
Yes.
And then that pause works. It has worked for me personally.
Worked for me too.
It has absolutely given me that thought कि यार I was working well without
हाँ.
it. It was just that I saw it, I liked it, and instantly if I would have purchased it, मैं शायद उसको साल में 2 बार से ज़्यादा use नहीं.
Correct.
And sustainability for me, sustainable finance is this way how I plan.
Yes.
So tell me one thing in terms of financial empowerment. आजकल बहुत बड़ा concern है for conscious entrepreneurs. Lot of new companies are coming, sustainable development, sustainable company. कैसे उस चीज को लोग implement कर सकते हैं? Suppose somebody is starting, a woman is starting her own venture in sustainability, or she wants to apply sustainability. Give them few steps. कि कोई भी आप business कर रहे हो, तो कैसा सोच सकते हो? What should be their thought?
With respect to finance, with
Yeah.
respect to sustainability,
Right.
both.
Yes.
Okay. See, it's very simple. मतलब दो challenging होता है for sure. And जो sustainable products या gifting आते हैं ना, people think they are expensive. But when I began my own brand, you know, I had to struggle. So we had धूप sticks. अब
wow.
ना धूप sticks को if you keep in moisture, तो वो खराब हो जाएगी.
Right.
It will be of no use. तो हमारा raw material खराब हो जाएगा. When we will ship it, let's say कि अगर वो बॉम्बे, बैंगलोर वगैरह जा रहा है, बहुत रेंज होती है. So you never know कि how will it work.
Impact,
Yeah.
yes.
So we had to look for an alternative which was doing the job of a plastic. कि वो उसको बचा रहा है moisture से.
But then
And-
equally sustainable.
हाँ, equally sustainable and also not adding up to the cost.
Very true. Which becomes a challenge for most of the young entrepreneurs.
Yes, it does. And also what happens is all of these conscious businesses are at a very small scale. मतलब we don't have big factories, we don't have mass production, we don't have like you know low cost labor, we don't have even मतलब bulk orders इतने ज़्यादा. So that adds up to the cost.
Right.
So just think of it कि आजकल ना सबके available होते हैं alternatives if you look for it. What helped me was a lot of research. Obviously ChatGPT, IndiaMart पे you will get all the vendors because you don't know कि आपके आसपास कौन सी shops है और वो सब
कौन
कुछ.
help कर सकता है
हाँ,
in terms
कौन
of
help कर सकता है. But then explore the local market. You will get alternatives for everything. And even like you know to viewers, whenever you see such a brand, just मतलब ठीक है थोड़ा बहुत costing में फर्क होता है, but then like you know just think the cause that is going like you know behind it, the energy
The
that
motive
is
has
going.
to be bigger than what
Yes,
you're doing.
हाँ.
Right.
So that is only when like you know we will start to
Implement.
हाँ, see the change even our mindset. Also मतलब like no ये कहा जाता है कि ऐसा है भी even in the food industry जो healthy food है that is expensive, जो junk food है that
Yes,
is
yes.
like you know very minimal cost.
Yes.
But ये जो आपका statement है ये गलत है. So healthy food expensive नहीं है. जो आपका फास्ट फूड है वो सस्ता है, बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट गिविंग यू एनी वैल्यू, और उसके अंदर एक्चुअली कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. द मोमेंट यू पुट सम वैल्यू इन योर फास्ट फूड, इट विल ऑल्सो
have the same prices.
Yes.
So true, so true.
So just even goes with any product that you buy.
It applies to all.
To all,
I agree. Because यही होता है, India has become a dumping place for lot of food products.
Correct.
You know, when we read about foods, people don't read the label. आज तक अगर आप किसी से पूछो कि brown bread, white bread का label पढ़ लो, you know, because I've done that myself.
Yes.
तो लोगों को ये भी नहीं पता हो. And what is brown bread? It's a roti.
Roti.
In
Yes.
simplifying
Yes,
in
yes,
those terms.
yes.
But pricing, money matters जब हम लेते हैं तो people ought to buy expensive thing thinking the quality is good. Right? That's what they think. अरे महंगा है तो quality अच्छी है.
हाँ.
But जरूरी नहीं है. And you should always see who's making it.
Yes.
How is it being made? क्या हम अपनी body में जा रहे हैं? You rightly stated last time when you had a discussion. You said हमारी body मंदिर है. क्या हम मंदिर में रखते हैं anything like that? No, right? Then why are we putting it inside our body? Now tell me one belief. This is a very interesting question. One belief that you feel need to evolve for sustainable financial future. Money belief. One money belief जो आप you want to share with the audience that need to evolve since the day one the kid is born.
Okay. Again, something coming from my family.
Wow.
मतलब दो अभी तक ऐसा चलता आया है. आई डोंट नो कि आगे क्या होगा,
Right.
बट आई फील कि एज अ पर्सन you should be self-sustainable
Lovely.
rather than being a burden on anyone.
Anybody else. Wow.
So मतलब I am genuinely lucky कि मेरे पापा, my मम्मी, everyone was like कि लड़की है तो क्या हुआ, आजकल जमाने का पता नहीं कैसा होगा, वो अपने पैरों पे खड़ी रहनी चाहिए.
And this is so important. This is like a
Yes.
Zoom shot.
तो दो वो उनके डर से था कि कल को इफ थिंग्स गो ऑफ व्हाट विल वी डू.
Lovely.
सो कम से कम वो इतनी तो स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए. सो लाइक दे मेड मी इंडिपेंडेंट इन एवरीथिंग. Genuinely today if I am all by myself, I do not need anyone help. मतलब rather from cooking, driving to all your life skills, even earning. So they have made me this independent.
Right.
So I feel this belief should go in each and every family, all the caste systems, all the classes.
I so resemble to this.
हाँ, because I see कि मैं ऐसा नहीं
Yes,
देखती हूँ आसपास.
yes.
And when you get married, तो again मतलब वो same beliefs नहीं होते हैं
A lot of
family
things
में.
change. Yes.
हाँ, so मतलब अगर हम इसी belief के साथ में grow होना, things will become very easier, especially for females, but also for males.
True. Very
Because
true.
we like मतलब we have seen it from females perspective कि यार ठीक है, हमें कमाना है तो हमें इंडिपेंडेंट बनना है. दिस इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द फियर ऑफ अ फादर ऑफ अ मदर.
Right.
बट देन फॉर अ बॉय ऑल्सो इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट.
To do so many things at once.
करेक्ट.
Right.
एंड
Right.
वो ना कहीं दिखता नहीं है बिकॉज पीपल डोंट रियली स्पीक
Yeah.
अबाउट इट अ
And
लॉट.
that's how male. I'll tell you one thing. एक female के साथ it's always victim mindset.
हाँ.
And then you keep blaming the one we were
Yes.
discussing. You keep blaming others. ये इसकी वजह से हुआ, वो उसकी. No. I feel when you start taking your own responsibility, you are responsible what is happening in your life.
यस.
Right? And this value that you just quoted, कि become self-sufficient, is so important क्योंकि आप किसी को blame ही नहीं करोगे.
यस.
आप complain ही नहीं करोगे.
हाँ.
Because your decisions, you are taking those decisions. And I feel अगर बच्चे को day one से अपने खुद के decisions, whether it's a small decision, कि क्या खाना है, क्या पहनना है, that is what you are developing. कि be sustainable. कि अगर कोई नहीं है आज के आपके आसपास, how will you stand on your own two
Correct.
feet?
हाँ.